men need to change their perspective, undoubtedly.
Yeah.
Women can try to protect themselves all they want to. They can learn big amounts of martial arts, they can have pepper spray, they can have sharp objects, they can even protect themselves with a licensed gun. But at the end of the day, 2-3 men can always overpower a woman, and there's very little a woman can do about it. Men need to change. Men need to know that forcing yourself on a woman is not okay. That it's not a question of power play. That you making a woman a submissive is not okay. It's really not. And as long as the men don't learn this and they're not taught this from a very early age, this is not going to change. You can't drill this into a person's head after he's already grown up and he has started having these power plays and already started enjoying himself. You can't change that. It has to be drilled into his head since he's a kid. I really don't think anything can stop it. You can say no for yourself, but that's about it. The next person may or may not go through the same thing, and it's up to that person whether the person wants to go through it or not go through it. As an individual, I can just take care of myself and I can just protect myself, because there are a lot of stigma that comes with it. The fact that I even mentioned this today is going to attract a lot of attention, and there's a good chance the media is going to go gaga over this and say that, oh, Shireen was sexually harassed. It's pretty much just going to go to that line. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if they say Shireen was even raped at some point. Because that's what they do. They change things, they misinterpret it, and no one deserves that kind of attention. There's a reason why it is illegal to bring out a rape victim's name in public, because the kind of attention, the kind of mental torture the person goes through is just not right. And being in the limelight, if someone like me has to make a complaint against sexual harassment, no legalities can stop the press from leaking out my name. It's gonna be there. And I don't want that kind of attention. So it's up to everyone. I mean, every woman gets into this field knowing very well what she's getting into.